If you are underwriting fix and flip deals and your repair numbers are consistently wrong, your ARV almost does not matter. The fastest way to destroy a deal is underestimating repairs. After reviewing hundreds of deals that investors have submitted, one of the biggest patterns I see is borrowers calling a project cosmetic when the property is actually a medium or heavy-duty rehab. When I estimate repairs, I start with the condition category first, not the borrower's number. Most investors send a repair budget based on what they hope the project cost. Underwriting has to focus on what the property actually needs. Generally, I break properties into 4 buckets. Like cosmetic rehab, paint, flooring, fixtures, countertops, appliances, minor updates. Usually around $10 to $20 per square foot. Moderate rehab, kitchen updates, bathrooms, some mechanicals, foundation work, windows, exterior repairs, usually around $20 to $40 a square foot. Heavy rehab, roof, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, significant deferred maintenance, layout changes, water damage, major exterior work, usually around $40 to $70 per square foot, if not more. Full gut rehab, down to the studs, major replacements, system replacements, structural concerns, additions, or complete redesigns, can easily exceed $75 to $125 per square foot, depending on market and finish level. When reviewing deals, I also look for hidden costs borrowers consistently miss. Foundation movement, old electrical panels, cast iron plumbing, roof age, HVAC replacement, drainage issues, window replacement, permit costs, holding costs, and contingency reserves. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is using active listings to justify ARV while using unrealistic rehab budgets. Those two things usually conflict. If your comps support lower end renovated resale pricing, your retail repair scope and finish level should match that market. You could not underwrite premium retail ARVs with rental grade rehab numbers. Another important point, repairs directly affect leverage. If a lender is sizing a deal at 70% of ARV, every dollar added to repairs reduces the amount towards the purchase price. That is why many investors think that they are getting a 100% financing deal, but after repairs, closing costs, reserves, and liquidity requirements, the structure no longer supports the original acquisition price. I recently reviewed multiple deals where borrowers submitted repairs around $30,000 to $40,000, but after reviewing the photos and the deferred maintenance, realistic renovation costs were closer to $75,000 to $100,000. In several cases, lowering the purchase price, not increasing leverage, was what made the transaction workable. Estimated repairs is not about optimism, it's about protecting basis. The investors that survive long-term are usually the ones who underestimate repairs slightly and overestimate ARV slightly and overestimate repairs slightly. That discipline is what keeps projects alive when timelines extend, contractors disappear, or hidden issues show up. If you want help reviewing your fix and flip deals, send me the address, rehab scope, purchase price, and projected ARV, and I'll help you stress test the numbers before you close.